In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Do Not Disturb in Zoom. This handy feature is perfect when you need some uninterrupted focus, whether you're deep in a project or just want a break from notifications. Setting up Do Not Disturb in Zoom is quick and easy, and I'm here to guide you through each step so you won't miss a beat. First, let's open Zoom. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and do that now. You'll find that setting the Do Not Disturb mode ensures that any incoming messages or updates are muted, allowing for undisturbed work sessions or meetings. Once you're logged into your Zoom account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile picture. If you haven't uploaded a profile picture, you might see your initials instead. Click on that. This will open up your profile menu with various settings and preferences. Now, once you've opened the profile menu, take a look at your current status. Generally, it should read Available. This status communicates to your contacts that you are online and can receive messages and calls. But we want to change that today to ensure you don't get distracted. Click on the status that currently says Available, and you'll be presented with a few options, one of which is Do Not Disturb. Select Do Not Disturb if you want to silence notifications indefinitely while you're concentrating on your tasks. Alternatively, there's another option if you don't want to keep the notifications silenced for too long. You can choose Do Not Disturb For, which lets you set a specific time duration during which you do not wish to be disturbed. Options usually appear like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour, or even a custom time, depending on how long you anticipate needing the peace and quiet. Once you select any of these options, your status will update accordingly in Zoom, and you'll stop receiving notifications during that time frame, allowing you to focus entirely on your current activities. It's important to remember that while this setting is great for minimizing interruptions, you should still periodically check back if you have important updates waiting for you once your set time expires, or when you decide to change your status back to Available. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to manage your availability and keep distractions at bay with the Do Not Disturb feature on Zoom. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you create a more focused workflow as you navigate your day. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips. Until next time, stay focused and connected.